If you're struggling to remove the grease on your glass oven, try this. Use a Trojan scraper or any type of scraper. Just go gently across all the grease, spray some water. Now if your glass has any film, do not use a scraper. If it doesn't, then just try this method. It's a lot easier. You don't have to use any other chemicals or any other liquids besides some water and the scraper. Just have to go gently, just slide it. You hear a little bit of scratching, but it's actually scratching the grease off. It's not scratching the grass at all. It's a really nice and easy method. I wish I knew this earlier. And just keep going. As you can see, it's already removing a lot of the grease. Very little effort involved as well. Nice and easy. Just keep going. If you want there's still a bit of marks, just gently cross, and this is the final result. Nice and clean. Hope this video helped.